I'm going to record another tutorial for you, and it's a song I really love. It's Amazing Grace. Um, in this Corona time, my grandmother passed away, not from Corona, but she was already on an average age. She was 103 years old, and yeah, she really means a lot to me and still means a lot to me. And I have the feeling somewhere here in this nature she's sometimes with me. And on her funeral, I played Amazing Grace. And on guitar, though, without any singing. But I don't know, I had the feeling I needed to share it today with you on ukulele. So I'm going to play it for you, fingerstyle picking. And if you really love this song as well, yeah, stay tuned and I show you how to play it. So enjoy Amazing Grace. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. So, Amazing Grace. What a beautiful song is that, right? So, for this song to play on ukulele, like the version I did, you need C, you need F, you need G, and A minor. So the picking pattern that I'm using for Amazing Grace is the pluck one. So you get string 1 and string 4 and you pluck them, and then you get 3, 2, 3. So it's like pluck, 3, 2, 3. I will mute my strings and will show you a little bit more close up. Pluck, 3, 2, oh, pluck, well, pluck, 3, 2, 3, pluck, 3, 2, 3, pluck, 3, 2, 3. And if I show you on the C chords, what this song starts with, it sounds like this. Pluck, 3, 2, 3, pluck, 3, 2, 3. And look which fingers you prefer to play the strings with. I use the thumb for 1 and the ring finger for 4. And then I use middle for 3, pointing finger for 2, and then 3 again, middle finger. So, but you know, see what you like about that. So let's play Amazing Grace with this picking pattern really slow. Ready? So get in position C. Let's do the plucking pattern, the picking pattern intro. Let's say 3 times and then a down strum. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pluck, 3, 2, 3. Pluck, 3, 2, 3. Pluck, 3, 2, 3, and down. Amazing grace, how F sweet the sound on C. Stay in C, that saved a wretch. Go to G, like me on G. Go to C, I once was lost, Let's do that again, alright? Stay in C. We skip the intro now. We immediately start with Amazing Grace. Get in the position, the plugging position. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing grace, how F sweet the sound on C that saved a wretch like to G me. Go to C. I once was lost, but F. Now I'm found on C. Was blind on A minor, but G. Now I see on C. Sounds like a lullaby, right? Hey everybody, suddenly this video is coming in this tutorial because I recognized that I made a little mistake. It's a few weeks later now and I was editing the Amazing Grace and I recognized I'm learning you the picking pattern with the pluck. And I played at the beginning the version with the 1, 3, 2, 4 string. This is string 1, the bass string. String 4, the lowest one. So what I do is 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. Of course, when I sometimes play, I improvise also a bit, but that's the basic pattern I use for this song. So I'm going to put this version in as well, but it's a different surrounding now. Anyway, you got now, that's the positive part of it, 2 picking patterns to play Amazing Grace. So this pattern you start also in C. And get your position already on with the thumb on the string 1. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing grace, how F sweet the C sound that stay on C, saved a wretch like to G me. How C once was lost, but F now I'm found on C. Was blind on A minor, but G now I see on C. So I want to thank you all for watching to this tutorial about Amazing Grace. I hope you're going to shine your light with this beautiful mantra. I call it mantra, but it's actually maybe not a mantra. I call it also like an horizon song, like the songs that wants to travel far beyond the horizon to different countries, to different cultures. But you know, in source we are one, so it connects us all. And I'm sure my grandmother really enjoy it that I'm showing you how to play this tutorial, and that she can somewhere here from heaven look down and enjoy this melody on planet Earth. Well, I wish you all a lovely day. Thanks for watching, and I don't know, have anything to say. I just wish you all the best. Much love, and keep shining your light. Bye bye. See you next time.